Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you remember the last cookout, I know you not going to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure your orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be.
Greetings, Xpressionz JA family. My name is Akira, but of course you don't know that already. I am here with the Xpressionz JA team at the Summit JA, where we are witnessing the premiere of Cornelius Grant's 3-in-1 movie production. Like, come on. Everything Gone Wrong, The Love, and Chance. Can't wait to see it. So we are here with the multi-talented Cornelius Grant, the mastermind behind the 3-in-1 production that premiered here tonight at the Summit. Cornelius, please tell us, as a man who wears many hats, editor, producer, writer, director, actor, everything, how was it navigating all of these different roles to put together this entire production?
STRESSFUL. Stressful.
Stressful.
Yeah, you know what I mean? The long delay, I'm ever cost baby ice, you know. Cause me that the first production when we do it in 1 week and baby ice make it stretch out in 3 months. Because I take long for far to come do him ADR.
Oh wow.
So that's one of the stress. And then the rest, you know, the cast member them pull through and thing and make it work. They make it kind of look easy. So when you have actor and head not off, they make directing easy.
That is awesome to hear. What was the most exciting thing for you? Like, what parts of this experience would you say was the most exciting for you?
No, tonight.
Now tonight?
Yeah, not even shooting the movie. The turnout, the reaction of the audience is priceless.
And all the support.
Yes, me love it.
I heard you mention that you've been doing this or trying to get this done from 2010, right?
Yeah.
So tonight is like the major highlight for you. You're over the moon right now.
Yeah, I mean, I got Saturn. Yeah, so as well as that's why I tell us how far I see myself. I really appreciate the public from turning out, you know what I mean? The cast member them promote as well as myself. Me that look to see a full house, but the greatest thing, we go close to a full house and me feel good. If you know, say if next year the people them there can go spread the word to say, boy, I wanna miss something, then we can have a full house because the film industry is building, it's creeping up, and we need that support. If it was a party, maybe in the RAM already, but through a movie, Jamaican really, I set on a certain quality.
Yes.
And we can't provide that yet. Me can't provide that yet, but Jamaicans here can do that, but the budget. But me make nothing out of something. So me I set to uno say, next year, me not bother quit. Me don't go quit, but me not bother quit. So next year, come support it.
You definitely shouldn't quit.
No.
How could you say we could maybe create more awareness for persons who are upcoming producers and want more support from people within various industries, whether it's the creative industry, entertainment industry, you know, the music industry? How can we get people to support these products and these productions more?
Easy one. It need more publicity. So without the publicity, enough people don't know that this is. So you see this way I do, this is how we do it. You come here, you highlight this, put it on your platform, the other big media house them come here. So when everybody are flooded, what you think will happen? Everybody gonna know about it, and Jamaica go after hype. So if you get the hype, you will get the support.
Talking about hype, everybody knows that you are a part of the Bob Marley movie. For the young actors out there who wants to get a foot in, what would you say to them? Because a lot of people are, you know, anxious about acting. They don't really know where to start. There are a lot of persons who never went to Edna, like myself. What kind of advice would you give to these young people?
Look up Good Vibes Entertainment. If you're serious about acting, look up Good Vibes. And you say you don't know if you get started, you ask questions, see how you get started. Good Vibes Entertainment. Some of the actors that are in the films are first-time actors.
Yes.
So if you want acting serious, look up Good Vibes Entertainment. The vibes spell VYBZ, everything else is normal. Good and entertainment. So if they're serious, you give them the chance and now giving me this platform to let them know.
I will definitely let them know. You hear that, everybody? Good Vibes Entertainment. That is the place that you have to go to look. What more can we look forward to from Cornelius Grant?
Well, I do more international work. I can't say what, and I will be doing more films, but I've been pushed now to do mostly feature instead of short. So maybe when you come next year, maybe at the same spot, maybe I just one movie. Because if we're doing a feature, it can't be two, it's going to be long. So let's see, next year I might just do a feature instead of a short.
All right, Mr. Producer, Director, I'm going to ask you to do one thing here for the watchers right now.
What that now?
We were watching Trance, and I think everybody was kind of in a trance. Can you pull that one move? The trance move. I saw it go? That was Cornelius Grant. We completely enjoyed the 3-in-1 movie production here at the summit. It was absolutely amazing. We are looking forward to more from Cornelius. You can't stop it here, so all right. There's too much talent in Jamaica. Keep supporting. I would like to, if we can do a quick interview with her, that would be great. Okay, I'm hungry too. I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, but it's okay. I'm hungry and thirsty, bad. So we are here with Justin On, successful actor, and he is our leading male in Trance.
Yes.
Right? One of the 3-in-1 productions that was premiered here tonight. How long have you been in acting? How long have you been doing this for?
I'd say like maybe 15, 20 years now. Pretty long time. I started off as like a baby model, as a kid. My mom got me into it because she was a model in Switzerland. So I'd say the creative sector since I was a baby, and then acting as I got, a little older, about to hit my 20s and stuff. So it's been quite some time now.
And it's always been a passion?
It has. It kind of developed into that, like I said, it started with modeling, and growing up as a kid, I would look at other actors, and it kind of developed into a passion and a love, hence why I do it. And I already made up my mind a long time ago, I'm going to do this for the rest of my life. So yeah, I do it because I love it, and people seem to enjoy it, so I'm going to continue.
So how was your experience playing the seducer, charmer,
right,
Brandon in Trance?
It was an excellent experience. What can I say? Because I worked with a lot of beautiful ladies, so yeah, I have no complaints. And it was very a nice professional environment. Working with Cornelius Grant over the years, I worked on numerous productions with him. So it's always a good production when he calls me up. If he calls me for something, I'm there. So.
What advice would you give to actors who tend to be maybe a little bit more reserved or shy, and they want to get a foot into the industry?
Well, I would say just do something as long as it makes you feel comfortable. If it doesn't make you feel comfortable, don't do it. So whatever makes them feel comfortable, and try something out. You never know until you try. And constantly put yourself out there. Send out your resume. Try to market yourself, promote, advertise what you're doing. Try to reach out to people. If you're out and you happen to run into a person, or that person is somebody that you want to meet, go and talk to them, because you never know when you may get that chance again.
Well, I for sure will take your advice.
Right.
It was definitely a joy watching you in Trance.
Thank you.
And
Appreciate
the other
coming.
productions.
Yes.
It was a joy of mine. Thank you so much for this interview.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And one more, just always follow your dreams, goals, aspirations, whatever they may be in this life. People will succeed with hard work, determination, and dedication. Thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure.
I appreciate
Wonderful
that.
Wonderful advice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you.
Listen, my people. We are here at the summit, like I said earlier, and let me tell you something. That 3-in-1 movie premiere, Cornelius Grant, you did an excellent job. The actors, the writing, everything from the lighting, the music, it was amazing. And if you missed it, that sucks for you.